Nubia Z50 Ultra just launched before few days. Fast refresh rate, full screen display. Under the display selfie camera, superb in design, Sony flagship portrait camera, flagship processor, fast charging and many more. Today I am gonna show you unboxing and first impression of the Nubia Z50 Ultra, a flagship phone. Hey guys, Mikey from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. This is the black box for the Nubia Z50 Ultra phone. When you open it, you will find a clear case to protect your phone, a manual to help you use it, a cable to transfer data, and the powerful 80-watt charger that supports speedy charging too. The new Neo Vision UDC full screen technology puts the front camera under the screen and has a sturdy square frame. This gives the phone a complete screen look with a 6.8-inch AMOLED flexible display that has a FHD Plus resolution of 2480 by 1116. It also has a refresh rate of up to 120Hz and the touch sampling rate of up to 240Hz by default and up to 1000Hz during the gaming. The Nubia and the BOE screen, the special UDC Pro Plus display chip that helps to display the picture more accurately. The screen also uses a unique 1:1 pixel drive technology that works well with the front camera. The screen material and the circularity and the design to improve the light transmittance under the screen. The front camera is a customized 16 megapixel sensor with 2.24 ultra megapixel large pixel size, which takes the clearer and more transparent selfies. The Nubia Z50 Ultra phone uses the special COP packaging process, which makes the chin, the bottom border of the phone, very narrow and the consistent in width with the other borders. This creates a borderless visual effect and makes the phone display looks more even. The back of the Nubia Z50 Ultra phone has a geometric design with a large borderless glass panel. The design is divided into the parallel spaces and the 3 camera module is embedded in the square gimbal to make the camera stand out. The Nubia Z50 Ultra phone has a glossy surface for the 35mm main camera at the top of the gimbal, and the periscope telephoto at the bottom has a smooth and matte edgy flash sand material finish. The camera has a special design with a red circle and the textured surface that will make your photos look beautiful with a different pattern of the light and shadows. The Nubia Z50 Ultra has a power button on the side with a red color, and the unique textured above the power button is the volume adjustment button. The Nubia Z50 Ultra has a special camera button on the top that you can press to quickly open the camera app. You can also shake the phone while holding this button to capture the photos instantly. And the Nubia Z50 Ultra has a new features, an infrared remote control located on the left side of the top of the phone. On the right side there is a speaker and the microphone for the noise cancelling. There are 2 antenna strips at the both ends of the metal frame on the top of the phone. The bottom of the Nubia Z50 Ultra has a SIM card slot, the main microphone and the charging and the earphone port that can be used for both. There is also a speaker located here. The Nubia Z50 Ultra has a 3 rear cameras. The main camera is a 64 megapixel Sony IMX787 camera that has a 35mm lens and the optical image stabilization too. It also has a special coating that helps with the night photography. The second camera is a 85mm telephoto lens with a 64 megapixel resolution and the optical image stabilization, which allows for almost 2.4 times optical zooms. The third camera is a 14mm ultra wide angle lens with a 50 megapixel resolution that can capture a 116-degree field of view and the macro photos up to 2 cm. Together, this camera can achieve a total optical zoom range of up to 6 times. Nubia phones are famous for their great camera features, especially for taking pictures of moving objects like shooting stars. The Nubia Z50 Ultra offers a 25 different ways to use the camera, making it easy to get the perfect shot without needing advanced photography skill. Just choose the right mode for the effect you want, and you are good to go. The Nubia Z50 Ultra is a powerful phone that doesn't skimp on performance. It uses the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor along with the LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0 technology for faster speed and better overall performance. The Nubia Z50 Ultra performed really well on the Antutu performance test, scoring over 1.28 million points. That's almost 25% better than the previous Z40 Pro with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. In the Geekbench 5 project, the single-core score of around 1422 points and the multi-core score is around 5097 points. A game called Genshin Impact was tested on the mobile devices with the high-quality graphic and the fast frame rate of up to 60 frames per second. The device was tested for 15 minutes while the playing moved around the map and fought monsters. The game ran smoothly with an average frame rate of 60.1 fps and only a small fluctuation of 1 fps. The beginning of the game had some minor frame rate fluctuation, but they didn't affect the overall stability of the game. The game remained smooth and stable even during the battle and when zooming in. The Nubia Z50 Ultra has a eSport grade cooling system which helps keep the phone's temperature down. The phone has a large cooling area of 4201 square mm which has improved its cooling ability. The highest temperature on the back of the phone is around 41.3 degrees Celsius while the lowest is 39.5 degrees Celsius. Compared to the previous version of the Z50 Ultra's cooling performance is better, especially since the large 6.8-inch screen uses more power and generate more heat. Overall, the Nubia Z50 Ultra has a good cooling system. The Nubia Z50 Ultra has a large battery with the capacity of 5000 mAh and supports fast charging of up to 80 watts through the wire. When the battery was completely drained, it was charged with the screen off. It took 10 minutes to charge up to 34%, 20 minutes to charge up to 62% and 30 minutes to charge up to 87%. Finally, it was fully charged in 38 minutes. The Nubia Z50 Ultra comes in two colors, black and grey. The phone has a different variant with the different storage and RAM sizes. The 8GB RAM to 56GB storage variant cost around CY 3999, roughly 482 UK pound and 580 US dollars. The Nubia Z50 Ultra has introduced the groundbreaking under the screen protective technology which combine the independent display chip and the independent pixel driven to create an excellent hidden effect for the camera. The selfie timer experience has also been improved with the clearer detail and the brilliant portraits. The phone has upgraded its 35mm golden focal length and added an 85mm periscope telephoto lens, making it easier for beginner to shoot high quality images. Nubia's outstanding gameplay and the performance iron triangle make it a great phone for the gaming. The phone also features a ring flash, full feature NFC, Wi-Fi 6E, dual speaker and the infrared remote control sensors. Nubia Z50 Ultra is a great choice for those who want a flagship phone with a true fully screen and excellent photography capabilities. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling and I will see you in the next one.